Lord, please be with me. As I do Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World, and today I have with me Nicole. Hi. Anyways, guys, this is gonna be a competition, a song association. So basically, my brother is writing down some words, and we're gonna have the words in a cup, and we're gonna choose. And whatever word we pick out, then we have 6 seconds to sing a song about the word. Well, we have to use like a real song that's out there. We can't be making up our own songs because listen, guys, this one is gonna lose.
Listen, disclaimer for me, guys. I haven't listened to a radio in a very long time, so I'm not
I don't
really
listen to radio
familiar with the words anymore of songs. So cut me some slack if I don't win, please.
All I listen to is Caleb, and that's occasionally. Otherwise, I only listen to the same songs over and over again.
Wish me luck, guys.
Guys,
Team Nicole, this ain't
Team
no
Marla
food
in the
channel.
comments.
This ain't no food channel, so please bear with me.
Some people only go when they come to their belly.
Yes. Let's get this.
So how many we're gonna do? We're gonna do 5. We're gonna get 5 each. We're gonna take turns. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, and then we're gonna have an extra 5. And whoever first sings a song about the word, then yep, they get the point.
Help me out, guys.
I
can give you my number. You can message me.
So let's get into the video.
We're about to begin.
So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see, and then if you win, then you get to decide who goes first. So, ready?
Oh, is it 1, 2, 3 show or 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3 show.
Okay.
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3 show. Rock, paper, scissors.
She cut me. Oh well.
So,
Wait, that was weird. You said what?
1, 2, 3.
but we
show.
did it right though. We did it.
Okay.
We both did it.
Alright.
So, anyways,
Shit,
since
do
I won, you know who's gonna go first.
Oh! You sure you shuffle this good? Lord, please let the first word be and.
There's no under here. There's no out. There's no.
Okay,
but,
okay,
there's
shut
no
up,
if,
Jafar.
There's no so. There's no.
Lord, me I beg you.
Why are you nervous now? Stop.
The first word is happy, guys. Oh, happy day.
Alright.
Thank you, Lord.
Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh. No,
So she had chewed in, right?
As she open it, let me know.
No, I have to read it first. Oh, let me get more down one. Pretty, pretty, please. Don't you ever leave.
I don't know
Like
that
you
song, guys.
heard
That's
it.
not a song.
That's a song.
Who's singing?
Pretty, pretty, please. Google it. Me no remember. I must have Katy
You
Perry
guys
had it.
know that song? I don't know that
It's a
song.
song, right, Jafar? Pretty, pretty, please.
See, Jeff, I don't even know it. See, Jeff, I does not know that
Give me your phone.
song.
Let me find it for you. You're so teen.
Where your phone there?
Y'all really go search for the song.
Yeah, there's no.
It's a song. Pretty, pretty, please.
On the tie, is there a song by Bona Pretty Pretty Please?
Yes, it's a song. Jeez, when you teeth.
By Pink Pearl.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm old school, guys.
So your turn. Teeth.
Oh my gosh.
What's the word?
Uptown. Uptown, downtown, hey, round around, hey.
It's not a song.
Google it.
That's a
I
song.
was more going for Uptown Funk. Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Or see Uptown Girl, see there? So. Uptown Girl. See old smarty Billy Joel.
Alright, I think you're really old.
So that guy's still 3 more to go.
Wait. The word
I don't know song with lockdown.
Whenever they get on lockdown, the song with Coffee Little just dropped. No?
Where will we go?
Yeah.
We're in the quarantine down and that not have lockdown in it.
Yes, it does.
Well,
Yes, it does.
You can't expect me to know all of the words. She's leading. Let's see how long.
Fence? Jump the fence, back fence, run the fence. I don't know no song with no fence.
Stop. Time is up.
Jesus be fence.
But you know that don't count because if I lose my turn, so it's even two that you know. So put that one lose that one there. So you're gonna.
We can't believe you don't know that. That easy. Oops, let me get one easy one.
Oh, please make sure you don't get it.
Slay. What kind of word is it? Slay.
Time's up.
What kind of word is that?
Time's up. Sleigh ride. It's a Christmas song.
My turn.
How you don't? Wait there. Did you get that one there? No.
I didn't get
She
that
did
one.
me there one. She'll lead.
Okay, start.
Oh, stars.
No. You have to choose one word because you get too much time to think about that, honey.
Dang, I actually want to get a guess that one.
Don't it?
No. You saw that she was funny?
I was
No.
thinking.
I have a piece of paper in my hand. I'm gonna read it. Conqueror. Jesus is the conqueror.
That's
Right?
not a song?
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
I was more thinking, I am a warrior.
Yes, we are conquerors. Something like that. What she about Jesus is the conqueror. She gonna make up song. No song no go so. You said Jesus is the conqueror.
Gonna email look for Jesus is the conqueror. Christ the conqueror. Jesus the conqueror. By Rev Martin.
No.
Rev
Me have to
Martin.
see that for myself.
Yeah.
Rev Martin.
I know probably.
I want sermon. I want article.
I tried, guys. I tried. Most short.
No, you can't be doing that.
No seat here for real.
No, you're too deep.
But seat here, see some here.
Does the song have conqueror in it?
Yes,
That's
it
all
does.
that is.
Seat here.
It wasn't a song. And she forget the exact song what she had talked about.
Okay, so you don't get that one.
Exactly. She too
Seat
deep.
here, Jesus the conqueror.
Let me.
Jesus the conqueror.
Oh, I got Nicole.
You don't really matter when I need for know it word for word.
You have to know look at something about it. You can't just make up things. So if that's to be the case, we can't make up anything.
I'll find it.
Yes.
That's a scripture. It's going. You don't get. I'm sorry.
Yeah. You're not getting
I
it.
tried, guys. I
No,
tried.
No, sir. I be a thief. She a thief. I really can't stop look no criminal. All right, my turn.
Oh my god.
Pass. Let me get one normal word. Needed.
What's the word?
Needed.
Stop.
Needed and answer provided. I got it.
Nope.
No.
Yes, I
Time
got
up.
it.
Time is
No,
up.
no,
Time is
I
up.
said it before. Yes.
They can't challenge
No,
the
I
timer.
started it.
You
No,
cannot
I started
challenge the
it.
timer.
Oh my goodness.
So put when you not get over. Wait.
You
when
only get
that.
two.
How much you get?
Tell your phone.
Mommy call.
I was only thinking of Rihanna. You needed me. No. I mean, you don't really listen to Rihanna like that anyway. So. All right.
Oh Lord, I need this one.
Bam.
Make. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise
It's
keeper.
a make, not make her.
So now same thing in
No,
a song.
no. Make is one word, maker is another.
Oh, what is
Just
man?
like-
Really?
Yes. Waymaker, maker, not make.
Really?
Ooh. Why's she doing you like that?
I know,
You're
right?
not getting it. You're not getting it.
Who I gonna find a word with make?
Everybody Google it.
Jeez, oh, me get it. Come right
No,
now.
that's a thief. No, she said
It's
maker.
maker. I did say maker.
Because if I saw me the case, we could have put any
Which
word.
word?
Need.
Which song
You
I
could
make?
have just put need instead of needed. Thief.
No, sir, this is one of rough people.
Alright.
Mm-mm. is this? Pluto? No, Jafar.
No, listen, you can't come complete this song.
Pluto?
Listen, try to find a song with Pluto.
Alright. Me not know no song with no Pluto.
Hilarious. I'm sorry.
You saw she ready.
No,
You see, oh, she see.
I'm
You
sorry.
see, oh, she
No,
see.
I'm sorry, but
No.
I was thinking of one of my songs when I had
No, that's
it
messed
wasn't-
up. You can't find. No, you have to
Yeah.
choose basic word. Pluto?
Make it stay
No,
Pluto.
no,
Pluto and Mars, Jupiter. You have the song we say about Jupiter. You know that song there with Jupiter, with the Mars, all the planets?
My very educated mother just showed me 9 planets. That's different. No, that's different.
Well, nobody got it then.
Listen.
We
You see, like how me could with my maker. At the arm missing.
Make me over again.
Make
You find one song with Pluto. You
the
find one
Jupiter
song with Pluto.
Pluto
No,
song.
that's
There's a
not
let me
song.
find it.
You
Yes,
find one
it
song
is.
with Pluto.
Yes,
and then we
it
can't
is.
sit in it. You
Alright,
see?
Pluto song. Go to YouTube. Guys, it's a game, you know, a
You
little
know, I
game.
feel like we should just go on to the next one. She lost it. She didn't get it. It was one of my songs. It was a Lil Uzi Vert song. So
Jafar, next time you can't pick the
But
word.
it
Start
had
none of that word don't
Pharrell
make sense.
Williams in it, so I was thinking, you know, maybe you guys had a chance.
Alright. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Jesus is my deliverer. Woo! Jesus is my deliverer. Thank you.
Why you keep getting the easy word then?
Damn.
I
Why
pray.
do you get Pluto and then Pluto and something there? King. Jesus is king. He's the king of kings.
Yeah, you see the one. You see the one.
She got it within the time
You
limit.
see
so,
you?
know, she got it within the time limit.
It's alright. It's alright.
I'm legit over here right on 1, 2, 2, 3, 4,
It is
5.
alright. Wasn't he the Lord my God?
Is that a song? Alright, me get it. Coming out of time for teaching stuff.
She just want challenge me for everything.
Are you started?
But I look, you wanna know what I'm saying?
Listen, I just time you for deal with
Now I'm curious.
You see the last song where you just make up and finally put it. You see what this thing?
No, but she.
I two against one, you know, so I'm up on a rally for me.
No,
yeah?
it's not 2 against 1. I'm neutral. I ain't on nobody's side. But I figured what she was doing.
No, but not
she
that.
said until.
She gets a hard one.
No, me see 30.
What was it?
Away.
It probably. Oh.
Oh, I did it twice.
No, me never get 30. Maybe that might have it too long.
Oh, she's trying to play fair, guys. We're not gone 5 yet.
Look what the Lord has done. Woo! Look what the Lord
She didn't
has
even
done.
tell us what the word
He's
is.
my body.
What's the word?
Look.
They just said the word. You see, she's not
Me
following
start
her
the song
own
with the word. Me
rules.
start the song with the word.
Jesus.
Alright.
How much are they? 4 and me the 3?
Rock. Jesus is the rock of my salvation. Tell me you don't know that song there.
Oh, that's 3. Oh, that's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5. Which one was it? Okay. Which one wasn't, I think. I don't know. Which one? Why? I'll come to you at the game, please. Hold on. She got one.
Can we
No,
continue
maybe that's
with the
3.
game? You guys will get the score at the end. Please stop.
Charge. For the 9 months I carried you, growing inside.
Nobody, baby. Keep sweat.
I don't even know how much we count or whatever we go.
Me try
Not
put-
even so- oh, we
We
get
try
2.
put when we get over here, so.
Nasty. What kind of nasty song y'all listen?
Stop. I'm a savage. Hey.
Classy. No, that's not it. Not nasty, no, night.
Classic,
Of course.
Right. It's Sachi, moody,
Accent.
nasty.
Yes, nasty,
Oh.
isn't it?
I just, come on. Man.
What you give me before Miss time up?
What do you mean I gave it to you before your time was up?
My time up?
Of course it did.
Yeah. I was what?
I need to win, guys. Like, for real, for real.
How much would
You put need them go already. I need you, Lord. I
You can't
need you. Why not?
That's the song?
But didn't you get
Yeah,
need?
it is
I'm
a
sure
song.
need
I put
was.
need and needed.
But,
Okay.
alright.
Let me get this.
So alright, so when me go now, we're gonna do the face off.
I say go?
Yeah. So whoever get it first.
I think.
You guys are.
No, so that means
well,
you must pick it. You said the word and we something then.
Yep.
Well,
Alright,
you guys
so
are tied.
And which word you said you get?
Yeah.
Head.
Me
My
not-
head,
no,
my
no,
shoulder,
me have to
my
get
knees,
mine
my-
first. Me have to get mine first.
But
you
today,
know
when
But
it's
why
when
you
you're tired,
do
say pass.
Alright, so let me get it. Me didn't look on it though.
But I mean, that's my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes.
You're so teasy.
How much?
You wanna get more turned on?
I want to win.
Winter. Walking in the winter wonderland.
Yeah, she get that. Sugar baby, love me. Hi, sugar, sugar, sugar baby.
Whatever that song is.
I'm old school, guys. 2 points for that, you know?
No, it's in a 2 points.
No, we can't change it now.
Alright, this word is drunk.
Drunk enough!
Dang!
Who first say? No, me.
No, Jerry said
No,
the
I
same
give y'all
time.
both a point.
Really?
That kind of did say it at the
Yes.
exact same time, though.
You guys, tell us who said it first.
12 say same time.
No,
T.
guys, who said it
Hey,
first?
go in the comments, replay it and let us know who said it first. Alright, let's see what this word is.
Like she'll feed off of me, and that she'll do. She just listen to me and let
This
me.
word is into.
I'm so into you.
Okay.
I'm still mad about the last one, guys. I wasn't even listening.
So it's like a personal problem.
Okay, this word is under.
Under the stars, beautiful sunshine.
Is that a song?
Yeah. Is that a song? Do you know it?
No. That was before our time, honey. So find it, let me see.
This is actually a vibe starting which one come to my head.
Oh, it go.
Underwater, we say London.
Really? I don't listen to those.
I know, but
Yeah,
still, no, it just came to my head. I was scrolling through my playlist. I was like, okay, let me just put that.
Underwater, under.
But still, I would expect you guys to figure out some word that.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, the next word is promise.
I'm a promise. I am a possibility. I am a promise.
Me start first.
She
Me said this, I promise you.
People, it's such a team. No, me start first.
No, me
You
start
can't eat
first.
what we eat.
No, me start first. Me said
And
this,
I can't. She's not even a song with me know.
This I promise you. Everybody knows.
I am a promise. I am a possibility. I am a promise.
T.
With the capital P.
Alright, this word is break.
Break every chain. You see all she teeth. She all like get up in her. You come and sit down in my chair.
Nicole, you gotta come back. Come back.
That's so not pretty. So she but glad to see.
Me thank God for the run, yeah.
Oh my goodness. No. She won't give me a break. What was that word? I didn't remember the word.
Alright, this word is agua. Water. It's water.
Power.
Wonder working power in the. Oh no.
You need to take off marks for that.
No.
You need
no.
to take
You
off
can't still go.
marks.
You can't still go.
You need to take off marks for that.
Think of a song with water. Water. You drink it.
I don't know, be from morning, run go all that
That-
fresh, go all that fresh, go all that fresh.
that either.
If you wake up this morning and you do all that fresh, evening come and you do all that fresh, water they come there, years are dirty. Yeah, we don't come again. You
forget the song.
because I did not know if she don't get it, me could actually jump in.
But we say long time and you wait. Alright.
You saw them stay, they know what a little smiley just win.
Alright.
There's a couple more left in there. Alright, this one is a thing.
You see Nelly Cosmanos?
No, my braces in the
I blame the braces.
Okay, this one is theory.
I don't wanna love Theory by Kirk Franklin. Theory night.
Exactly. Take off points. Me don't know no song with Theory.
No, we're not gonna get stuff to take off points. Oh, comes Theory night.
Song is Rain.
Rain down on me. Let the thunder
We both get it.
No!
Yeah, stop screaming.
I'm sorry if I'm deafing you guys, but
That's
I'm
why I didn't
passionate
have
about
vote feel. That's why I
this.
didn't have vote feel.
I heard you guys both at the exact same time. So.
Which song you come with?
Rain on Us, the one with me that sing for a long time before this game.
This song, I love.
I don't wanna love nobody but you.
You see,
I don't wanna
get
love
no
nobody
chance.
but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you.
See? Me sure me say
Stop move before
then,
I stop.
you see door. You see door. I'm not see. I'm glad I'm not see now.
Sorry.
So me not getting a point.
Sorry, shoot. Song is watermelon. This word is watermelon. My bad for my pronunciation.
On Beyonce's song with the watermelon or a lemon she sing about. Me don't know.
Watermelon.
Me don't know no song with watermelon.
I was thinking of a Harry Styles song. It was like watermelon sugar.
Wow.
It plays on the radio a lot.
Alright,
I was
next.
expecting
You couldn't say lemon.
Because you guys drive, and I was just thinking, y'all probably would have heard it.
I know what kind of song. Lemon, watermelon.
Oh, this song is Finnish.
Strong finish.
Yep.
Strong faith.
She was thinking of it.
Strong finish. Woo!
Why me lose this around your
Strong
people?
finish.
Because she can't sit down and keep quiet.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Are you starting to get up now when you get up and do this?
That's when it's my turn and it's all on me.
Sometimes we get this
So
time.
she wanna come.
Okay, this word, pretty.
Pretty hurts. No, 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 no.
See, she just has said the word and I
Beyonce.
said make up sitting after.
No, Beyonce sing Pretty Hurts. Google it, honey. Do the pretty girls rock. That's
You see,
another
she'll
song.
make up
I was
some
thinking
things.
of Michael Jackson, Pretty Young Thing. I wanna. Wait, this song, why do I keep saying song? This word is juice. Juice.
What's the word? Use?
Juice.
Sky juice, back juice, sail out. It's a Jamaican song.
It's a song I was saying.
Try give him a pie.
Fine tower.
Lonely.
Lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely.
Did you know the song?
That's the same song I was gonna sing, but she just come and take it all over.
I'm gonna give it to you because she spoke first, but your voice.
She
overpowered
keeps.
So you're not can't show it
Look how my voice I got me thirsty. When we are done.
How much left? How much left?
You win. She win.
There's only two left. Two left. This one is silent.
Silent night, lonely night. You see, she feeding off what I'm saying. I don't know if you realize how she's feeding off what I'm saying.
No.
So you guys both get a point for that one.
That's not fair. She's feeding off what I'm saying.
You just start singing faster because you realize you hit me and sing.
This last song,
Last-
I keep saying song. I said it like 5 times. This last word is beast.
Beauty and the Beast.
Okay.
I hope I won, guys. Let's keep the fingers crossed.
Ooh.
So she giving me the look? I think she win because the fast round she kind of took over.
I'm gonna give somebody a bonus point.
Me, I need it.
Tie?
No.
It tie?
No.
I know she win by a me lose. I did try
She
my
won
best,
by
guys.
2.
See,
It
because
was
she
13.
because she was boisterous
It was
and
13
she
and
took
15.
over the place.
Me win?
Yeah.
Yeah, 15?
You won what? Yeah.
Guys, listen.
You actually came back though. You came back in the end. Probably
Because she
probably if we had some more, maybe.
try make up some more. We need
No.
no
Already win.
because you take over and
It's gonna
just
be swirling
guys.
over.
You see, don't you thief? Tell the truth. Type in the comments who you think really won
I won.
by cheating, guys.
I won.
When he gave us the word, what did she do?
I know. I always sing before I move, so stop lying.
Listen, guys, please type in the comments.
Not because I
Marla.
got excited. Marla won. Marla reclaimed our world. Marla won. Point blank. Period.
It was a nice competition, I must say, guys.
It's a concede. Like Trump will concede. I
hope so.
Concede.
So let's see, guys. She won by default. As you can see.
Default?
You saw what she did, right, people?
No.
People, let's vote.
Lose with grace. Lose with grace.
She even startled me when I was saying that. You notice I said it and then she like fed off what I was saying.
Lose with grace.
And because she was louder than me.
Lose with grace.
It's okay. She won.
You know second is the first to lose? Did you know second is the first to lose?
Like she won.
She won, guys. She won.
Guys, I'm a winner.
This is hilarious. I enjoyed that.
Oh my goodness.
Type in the comments. Please tell
Team
me what you
Marla in
think.
the comments.
Team
and let me know if you want a part 2 of this game, okay guys?
We can do a part 2.
So anyways, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, type Team Marla in the comments and let us know what you guys want to see next.
Team Nicole.
Team Marla.